Hello everyone, welcome back to ExcelWeb. In this video, I will show you how to insert page break in Excel. So let's start the video. First, open an Excel sheet. For example, we want to have a page break here. So we have to just put my cursor there and navigate to the page layout tab. And then click on the breaks option. Now select insert page break. Immediately you can see there is a page break here. So this is how you can insert page break in Excel. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at ExcelWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.